We are sitting in the Indeed headquarters right here in downtown Austin, Texas. We met with Indeed in 2017 for the first time. I met with Jeff Joseph, who was over the real estate audiovisual side of the department.
So Forward AV has helped us research and develop how we're thinking about our offices, right? So everything from your typical meeting, conferencing space, all the way to your auditorium or theater space, and everything in between. In this season of our team and our company, one thing that we're really concentrating on right now is creating more meaningful spaces so that we can foster more community and collaboration and make their time in the office more impactful.
They were looking for an integrator that wasn't so big, they didn't care their projects, but was big enough to handle the footprint of all their offices across the world. Since we first met, we have put in offices all the way from California to New York, to Europe, and to APAC. Indeed has a wide breadth of AV, all the way from 2-person conference rooms to 16-person conference rooms to town hall spaces that include projection screens, video walls. They have an idea center, which is basically their executive briefing center. In the executive briefing center, Indeed wanted a design that was based on a boardroom format where they wanted to have angles from every part of the table taken care of. We collaborated with multiple manufacturers to create a design that met that need. And with that need was a multi-camera system that allows us to hit every angle of the table. So Indeed came to us with a request to have a video wall literally come out of the ceiling. And when we came back and we discussed the functionality, what they were asking for, what they were looking for was something like a basketball goal coming down and a functionality, but having a video wall on it as is. And that took a lot of effort, a lot of time, a lot of design. It took 6 months, I believe, to get that whole design worked out and flushed out. One thing that Indeed really likes about Forward is we have a dedicated team and a staff and a built true relationship with the customer that we step in and get things done the right way.
So as a team between Forward AV and Indeed, we're not really focused on specific brands. What we are focused on is finding a problem and building a solution around that. Our relationship with Forward has allowed us to be the front door of, hey, these are all the solutions that are out there that can help you solve these problems for your people. Let's figure out what the best one is for you guys at Indeed.